The concept of generations, particularly in the context of societal and cultural trends, often refers to distinct groups of people, born and living within a particular time frame. These groups are shaped by shared experiences, technologies, events, and socio-economic conditions that mold their perspectives and behaviors. However, the idea of generations can sometimes lead to oversimplification or stereotyping, as not all individuals within a generation conform to its perceived norms. One prominent issue associated with generational divides is the potential for misunderstanding and conflict between different age groups. Each generation tends to develop its own values, beliefs, and priorities based on the unique circumstances they face during their formative years. This can lead to differing opinions on various societal issues such as politics, social justice, and technological advancements. For instance, older generations might view younger ones as overly reliant on technology or lacking in traditional values, while younger generations may see older ones as resistant to change or out of touch with modern realities. To address these generational challenges, fostering understanding and empathy across age groups is crucial. Encouraging intergenerational dialogue and collaboration can help break down stereotypes and promote mutual respect. Initiatives such as mentorship programs, community service projects, or shared interest groups can provide opportunities for people of different generations to interact positively and learn from each other's experiences. Moreover, policies that promote inclusivity and equality across generations are essential. This includes ensuring access to education and training opportunities for all age groups, supporting programs that provide economic stability and healthcare access regardless of age, and creating age-friendly environments that cater to the needs of diverse generational demographics. Additionally, acknowledging the diversity within each generation is vital. While generational labels can provide a broad understanding of shared experiences, they do not capture the full range of individual differences and identities within any age cohort. Recognizing this diversity can help prevent oversimplification and promote a more nuanced understanding of generational dynamics. Ultimately, the solution to generational issues lies in fostering a culture of respect, empathy, and inclusivity. By recognizing and valuing the contributions of each generation, societies can harness the strengths and perspectives of all age groups to address shared challenges and create a more cohesive and sustainable future.